If you're considering these welding gloves, you want to know what you're going to get. I'm just going to show you here. Obviously, it's got the both hands. I will say they fit nice. Not a lot of extra finger room, which is good. You hate when there's all kinds of extra finger space up there, but very comfortable, easy to put on, nice and thick. So because you have your left and your right, of course. They seem to resist the sparks really good. You can touch stuff with them, it's not coming through. So definitely pretty happy with those for sure. Let's see what else we got. There is extra padding up in the fingers and the palm area, which is nice. I like that. Again, I like the fact that you can still use your fingers real pretty easy with them. Overall, they're a pretty good glove. They go up almost to my elbow, so that's good. So you're going to cover them, make sure stuff's not going down your sleeve. But yeah, with a nice pair of welding gloves for sure. Now, these guys are nice enough to send these out to me so I could do a review and show you a little bit about them. So if you're curious and you're thinking about ordering them, now you know what you're going to get. The stitching looks good on them, double stitching on the hand here, so it looks like they'll hold up pretty good overall. So there you go. I want to thank these guys for sending them out to me. I really appreciate it, and hope this short video helps you out and you can determine whether or not these are right for you.